Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Alcoa Corp, and what you can see is the longer term chart of Alcoa, and we are going to discuss about the trend, how the trend looks like, and what one should do in this kind of trend or a chart with this kind of price action. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now what you can see here is an uptrend, and the same it's like a second act which is happening right now. So what you can see here, that from 1980 till 2001 and probably 2007 and 8 it went up by 1600%, and the same thing happened on the downside after 2007, that in the last 12 and 13 odd years the stock fell down and it's completely reversed the trend. Okay, so here we have, now in this kind of thing, okay, in this kind of thing there can be different interpretation. The first is that probably whatever has to happen, or the industrial age, or the kind of gains this stock has made in the past, these kind of things may not be possible into the future, as we are looking at different sort of energy and different kind of technology. And the second thing is, when it comes to price action, it may or may not apply, because price action is different from business action. Because technically what you can see here right now is that the stock has indeed so this was the low of 1981, which the stock recently visited in 2020 and made a bounce back above that level. So it was in 1981 and current low $8.66 on the downside, but the recent low which the stock has made is 5.17 or $5 on the downside. So we can neglect this trend, because this is a sharp downfall and this is a market reaction. So keeping our lows consistent at or constant at 8.68, the stock indeed makes a breakout above 8.66, which will be your big support level, and below that you have 5.17, and if it falls below that, so we are not going to carry any positions afterwards. Now on the upside you have your first target at 16.51, where the stock currently visited and falls back from that level. After that you have 18.99, then you have 23.55, then you have 13.16, then you have 44, and then you have 53.91 as your target or resistance, and the big target or resistance will come at $140 on the upside. Now the question is whether the same thing will happen or not. The chances for that is probably 50-50, because if you think that the business will happen in the same way as it happened in 1980s or 1990s, that's not going to happen. But what we are looking here is a price function and not a business function, and the kind of money which is available into the market, with a slight business confidence, it can boost the price like anything. So what we are discussing is a price function, not a business one. Okay, so what my emphasis here is on the price action or the price cycle and not the business cycle. Here you can find your support at 11.46. I forget to mention that. So 11.46, 8.66, and then 5.17. So these are all the levels which you need to look at, and price function is there, or it will definitely happen on the upside if market sends something positive over a period of time, obviously, because we can see the volatility across the market, and for that to happen the stock must hold 8.6, 8.7 on the downside. Okay, if it breaks below this level, then it will be a problem. Otherwise, if it holds this level, there is a possibility that it may go upwards. How much will it go? That's a question. But the thing is, what we can do for that, and when will it go, and how much will it go? That's obviously a question. So that nobody has the answer of. But what we can do, we can look at the levels. So here are the levels I have already explained. So you can trail your stop losses accordingly. Once it moves from one level, you can trail your stop losses and go for another level. In this way you can do that thing, and the possibility will increase once the stock keeps on rising over a period of time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.